Hey guys, welcome to the Pixel Gallery Widget tutorial. In today's video, we will walk you through the Floral Gallery Widget customizations. First, let's drag and drop the widget inside the page. The default gallery shows images with meta, title, text, and Read More button, and the interface looks like a news magazine photo frame. That's the unique charm of the Floral widget. Now for the layout options, starting from the grid template columns, you can customize the row gap, column gap, image height, and content width switchers. Then there are 4 switchers below, and one of them is a Masonry Gallery Transform switcher. At the bottom, you will find content alignment, image size, and link trigger options. The next section is the Gallery Items section. Here, you can add or remove items to determine the number of visible items on the display. Then click on an item to reveal the customization options. First, you can edit the item image by clicking on the image field. Then change the title text, meta, and description text. Also, you can change the Read More button text, along with a custom URL per item. Don't forget to notice the Item Hidden switcher that lets you hide any existing gallery item and replaces the area with a blank space. In the same way, finish customizing the rest of the items yourself. Next, let's move into the Style tab to customize the appearance of the gallery. The first section, called Items, is where you can customize the gallery items. For instance, select a border type. Here we have selected dashed, then set the border width, and then set the border color. Also, set a border radius and padding to modify the background area of the items. You might as well configure the box shadow option to set up a shadow behind the items. Next, go into the Images section, and let's add values into the border radius field and curve the edges of the images. Then go inside the Subtitle section and use the typography option to customize the font style. After that, change the color of the titles from the Title section and go for its typography as well. Let's start with the font family and work it through the letter size, weight, etc. Then go into the Text section and change the text color to black. Also, customize the font style through typography. Take your time to edit the font according to your preferences. Do the same thing for the description text. First the text color and then the font style. Then go into the Link button section and start with the background color option. Let's select Gradient and then edit the colors for it. You can edit the color locations, gradient type, angle, etc. to change the color effect more. After that, let's turn off the border by selecting None and then add some values in the border radius fields to round the edges. Next, let's work on the font style through the typography option. We forgot the text color, didn't we? Let's change it to white. Also, you can add a box shadow to the Read More button to add more visual detail to it. Box shadow lets you customize the shadow color, placement, position, blur, and spread. After that, you can configure the hover effect property from the hover subsection. Apply changes to the text color, background gradient, and shadow for hover. Once done, let's get into the Modal Content section to customize the content appearance inside the modal window. Here, the first option on the top lets you customize the background color of the modal or lightbox. Then there are 3 subsections below, each having a specific set of options. First is the title. Let's customize the font style through the typography option. Change things like the font family, letter size, weight, etc. After that, for the text, let's choose a semi-white color. Now, minimize the Options panel and explore the finished layout. Click on any Read More button and be amazed at the modal entrance animation. Your visitors would love to come back to your website if you offer them such amazing galleries with the Floral Gallery Widget. That's all for now. Hope this video helped. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get updates on new tutorials and tips. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.